If you want to see me select a few more polishes from the Ciaté Mini Many Month Holiday 2019, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène, and yeah, we're going to go into this box today and select a few more nail polishes, and I've just decided to select two at a time at this point. I do enjoy when I can get a pairing, and that's happened the last few times that I've selected from the box, and I think it's just more fun to see what happens when I pair two nail polishes that I would not necessarily otherwise have paired. And I have some pretty neat stuff that happened nail-wise over the last month. And so we're going to set that box aside for just a minute, and I want to kind of recap what happened over the last month. First off, the last two that I selected, so I select them at random. That's the idea of revealing the advent calendar numbers. I never know what it is that I'm going to pick out. And this is the pairing that I got last time. So this is Paparazzi, and this is Star-Crossed. And Star-Crossed looked fantastic over Paparazzi on the ring finger, and you will see that in a number of videos. If I have one at the ready, I will put it there if you want to see the nail polish. And I really like the pairing. Paparazzi is a brown, but it has some burgundy in it, so I find it very versatile. And I did wear it more than the one time in videos, and as a matter of fact, I am wearing it right now under another color. So if you're wondering what this color is, it's Paparazzi underneath, covered with Cyclone. And this pairing is fantastic, but I discovered it by accident because I was looking for another pairing, because the first pairing, which I actually put on my Instagram, I was so impressed with it, is this pairing. And it's Total Eclipse and Cyclone. And it has a different effect. It has more of a bluish, like blue undertones, but more green, whereas this one has more red undertones, but more blue. And so it's the color underneath that influences what Cyclone looks like on top. And so far, the two times I've worn Cyclone over a deep color, so like I said, Total Eclipse, and then the other one, Paparazzi, I've been so impressed with the outcome that I'm going to declare that I'm actually going to end up running out of Cyclone at some point, which for me is very unusual, but that it works well on its own, yes, but as a topper, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So I highly recommend Cyclone from Ciaté, London. It's a beautiful color. And going back to Paparazzi, the nice thing about Paparazzi to me is it's not as bold as a deep red because the brown softens it a little bit. But for a fall winter color, mostly fall, I would say. I would say this would be a definite fall option for me. It's a winner. It's very, very fetching. Very nice. And finally, Star-Crossed, I would say that I would be curious to know what it's like as a topper for other colors. From fuchsia to all sorts of shades of brown, I think that it would look pretty good, even on a peach nail polish. So I'm looking forward to experimenting with this one some more. I really like all four of them that I've just talked to you about. I really like, and I'm very hopeful that the selections we make today are just as good. I mean, I've felt very, how many times can I say lucky? I felt very lucky over the last couple months, for sure. Before that, if you've watched these videos, these reveal videos, I've had a few duplicate shadows from Ciaté in doing these reveals, because I thought 1 year to the next, surely they wouldn't be doing duplicates, right? Apparently they do. So with fingers crossed, let's get into selecting two more shades. Okay, I have my Pretty Random app ready to go, and let's generate the first number. "21. Something tells me 21's already been selected. Yes, it has. So let's keep moving. Randomize again. 19. 19. Okay, 19 has not been selected, so let's do one more number, and then we will open them up. 1. Number 1. 19 and 1. Both of them have not been selected, so let's open them up. So 19 is right here, and I'm going to remove it from view because it is so blingy. And there's a saying inside each one of these, and this one says, "I can't run, I'm a mermaid." So you know it's going to be something sparkly. So let's take it out. And it's called Splash. And I really like the color. That is very pretty. It's gold, yes, but it has green in it. And I'm not sure, maybe a little bit, yeah, blue as well. Blue, green, but the number one color that I can see is more of a gold. So I like that one very much. Okay, so that was 19. And now we're going to number 1, which is down here. I managed not to blind anyone, that's pretty good. And number 1, it says, "Good things are coming." And it's a very light colored nail polish. I think this is another pairing, guys. Let's see here. Oh, it's another duplicate. Oh well, but I can go and get my old one and try to pair them together. I won't open up a bottle that has not been used. So yeah, Cookies and Cream. It's a nice one. I did use it last year, and it's quite fine, nice. It's a color that's easy to use that a lot of people would like, so I will have no trouble passing this one on. So for now, let's go back to this Splash. I think that Splash might actually pair well with Total Eclipse. So that is an option right there. But I will definitely come up with a few. And if I only wear that combination once, I will endeavor to find some more unique combinations with the Ciaté nail polishes, if it's only for inspiration to go and take a look at your own collection and try nail polishes in combinations that you might not even have thought would go together. I would say that this past month has been probably the most fun I've had with my Ciaté options. I've worn a number of different colors, so 2, 4, 5 different colors, so that's kind of nice. I'm not one to go into too much experimentation, but this has really convinced me that I should be doing more, not less of it. So anyway, very happy that you decided to join me. I hope that you enjoyed the selection that I was able to make with Splash. And if you have some suggestions on what to combine Splash with, different colors, they don't have to be specific colors of specific brands, just some colors that you think it would go well with, I would appreciate your suggestions. But for now, I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And as always, take care.